Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss the financials and technical of Punjab National Bank, and we will see how much potential is available in PNB and how it is available at a much discounted value and a very good valuation, and how it can be a multi-bagger going forward. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel so that you will get regular update on value buying opportunity, and you will learn how to do a fundamental financials and technical analysis, and through detailed analysis how to identify those value buying opportunity in the stock market. So let's start our discussion. So as PNB is from the banking sector, we are not going to discuss much about the fundamentals of the company. We talked about the financials of the company. The market capitalization of PNB is 41,567 crore. And if you can see the stock P, it is just 9.84. So that is why the company is available at a very good valuation. Second important point is the book value of PNB is 84 and it is currently trading at the price value of 37.8. So again, it has a direct potential to grow 2x from current price level. Other important financial parameter is they are making a consistent profit in the last few quarters. And if you can see the profit of previous 12 months, it is currently stands at 3,721 crore. And sales growth from the last 5 years, it has shown a CAGR of 10%, and profit in the last 5 years, it has shown a consistent gain and a CAGR of 21.9%. So again, the financials of the PNB is good. Now, if we talk about the quarterly result, if you can see in last 3 quarters, they have shown a consistent growth and they are making the net profit of more than 1,000 crore every quarter. So going forward with the improvement in the financials, the stock PE and the forward stock PE will be further reduced, and again, the valuation will come very attractive. Current net profit stands at 1,250 crore, which is a highest ever net profit in last 12 quarters. Now, if we talk about the profit and loss statement, so they have shown a consistent growth in the revenue. So in March 2010, the revenue was 21,000 crore, and currently as on March 2021, the revenue stands at 81,000 crore. So they have multifold 4 times their revenue in last 10 years. And as far as the net profit is concerned, in the last 2 years, they have shown the positive net profit, and the net profit as on March 2021 stands at 2,562 crore, and the trailing 12-month net profit, we have already seen they have shown the consistent growth in the net profit. They are making more than 1,000 crores net profit every quarter. So trailing 12-month net profit stands at 4,222 crores. So that is a very good sign the company has shown in the financials improvement. Now in the balance sheet, if you can see, they have again improved their reserves in the last 10 years. So in March 2010, the reserves was 18,387 crore, and currently as on March 2021, the reserves is 90,439 crore. So that is again a very good sign. Now, as far as the promoters holdings is concerned, promoter holds 73.15%. So mainly the promoters are President of India, and FII holds 1.19% in PNB. DII holds 11.61%. Recently, they have increased their shareholding in PNB, and public holds 14.05%. We have seen PNB is showing a consistent growth as far as the revenue and net profit is concerned, and every quarter they are making a net profit of more than 1,000 crore in past 3 quarters. So going forward, it will be a good sign for PNB. Let's do the technical analysis and identify how much potential is available in PNB and how it is available at a very discounted value currently. So this is a chart of PNB, and let me put it on the 1 week chart so that I will give you multiple price level and how much PNB has corrected in recent past. So if you can see, PNB has made the all-time high of price level 280. After that, the next high PNB has made is price level of 230. After Modi government come into force in 2014, they started cleaning the book of these PSU bank, and if you can see, from 2014, the stock has almost corrected by 85%. And these corrections are mainly because of the cleaning of the books which happened in recent past. But currently, if you can see, in last 1 or 2 years, the all the PSU banks are showing a consistent growth as far as their revenue and net profit is concerned, and they are reducing their NPA in last few quarters. The second important point is so much of activity has happened in this area, which is the last 1 or 2 years, and many retail traders and the operators are making position in PNB because of the improvement in the financial. Now coming back to our daily chart pattern, so let's analyze how much potential is available in PNB. So let me just make it big so that we will identify the potential available. So if we can take this price level of 37, you can see this is a strong resistance and support price level. Stock has shown a multiple resistance at this price level. You can see first resistance, second resistance, third resistance, and after giving a small breakout, it has taken the support at this price level, and after that it has taken a multiple support at the same price level of 37. So this is a strong resistance and support line. Currently PNB is trading. Now coming back to the potential available in PNB. So this is a small reverse head and shoulder pattern which has formed in PNB. This is a left shoulder, this is a head, this is a right shoulder, which will give us a small potential target. So if we can take the depth of this reverse head and shoulder pattern and put this depth on the neckline, we will get the potential target of price level 53. And from current price level, if we can draw it up to the 53 price level, we will get a potential gain of 42%. So this is a short-term target of 42%. In PNB, there are multiple targets which we will going to analyze one by one. So we have got the first target. Now coming back to second target. So again, this is a neckline of price level 46. And from that price level, if you can see, this is a cup with handle pattern. So this is the big cup and one handle has formed and the second handle is under the formation. So if we can take the depth of this cup with handle pattern up to the neckline, if we can put it on the neckline, we will get our second potential target of price level 66. And if we can draw it from the current price level up to the price level of 66, we will get a potential gain of 75%. So as of now, we have got two targets. The first is 42% potential gain with a price level of 53. The second is 75% potential gain with the price level of 66. Now we have already seen that the book value of PNB is 84 and currently it is trading at 37 price level. So let's draw the price level of 84 and see how much potential is available up to that price level. Because with the improvement in financial, the company has the potential to at least go up to its book value. So from current price level up to the book value, the potential available is 122%. So 122 potential gain is a very good potential available in PNB, and this is a long-term potential gain which might be achieved in next 2-3 years. Now again, if we go to our weekly chart, under our weekly chart, we have drawn two all-time high price level. So first one is 230 and the second is 280. So again, if we talk about the long-term horizon, so if we can take the current price level up to the 230 price level, the potential available is 500%. And if we take the current price level up to the 280 price level, the potential available is 624%. With improved financials, PNB has a potential to be a multi-bagger in coming future. So we have got multiple potential target in PNB. So let me again repeat it for you. So we have got multiple targets in PNB. So the first target, that is a short-term target, which we got is price level 53 with a potential gain of 42%. The second target is price level 66 with a potential gain of 75%. And the third target, which is the book value of price level 84, the potential gain is 122%. So these are the short target in PNB because it has a potential to go up to the book value because the financials are improved in last few quarters and it will improve further going forward. PNB has a potential to reach its book value of price level 84 and it has a direct potential of 122%. However, if we talk about the long-term target of long-term horizon of 5-6 years, it has a potential to be a multi-bagger with a potential gain of 503% and the 622% gain in coming future. However, even if we ignore that long-term target, it has a direct potential to grow up to the book value of price level 84 with a potential gain of 122%. I am a buyer in PNB and I have invested multiple times in PNB in recent past whenever there is an opportunity, and I am invested my money up to the book value of price level 84 with a potential gain of 122%. The most important point I would like to mention here, whenever we are making the average in any of the stock, we have to make sure that we don't have to invest more than 3 to 4% in a single stock. By doing a small investment of 3 to 4% in a single stock, it will make us to reduce our risk, and also during the time of volatility in the market, we will be very confident to be invested in that particular stock for a long period of time up to our technical target has been achieved. That is why it is very important to diversify your portfolio and always invest a marginal amount of 3 to 4% in a single stock. So again, as we discussed PNB in this video, this is not a buying or selling recommendation. Kindly do your due diligence or consult your financial advisor before investing in the stock market. So I hope you have liked this video. I will see you in next video.